how to take borrow to subtract. Now if we have to take out 1239 from number 2317, what will we see? How many ones do we have? So firstly, how many ones do we have? 7. And we have to take out 9. We can't, because 9 is a bigger number and 7 is a smaller. We have 7 ones and we cannot take out 9 ones. So what will we do? We'll take borrow from tens. We'll cut it. So 110 will be 10 ones, and plus we had already 7 ones, and here we'll be left with 0 tens. Now we have 17 ones, so we can, instead of this, write on the top that there are 17 ones we have. Now we can take out 9 ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 8 we are left with. Similarly, we have 0 tens, but we have to take out 3 ones. So what will we do? We'll take borrow from 3 hundreds. How many hundreds will be left there? 2. And we had 0 here. So simply there is 10 tens. 10 tens में से हम 3 निकाल सकते हैं. So there are 7 tens now. 2 hundreds, and how many hundreds we have to take out? 2. So there will be 0. 2 thousands, and we have to take out 1. So there will be 1. Similarly, for this one, from 9,000, we have to take out 2,173. That means 3 ones. So अब हमारे पास नहीं है यहाँ पे वंस, तो हम क्या करेंगे? अपने पड़ोसी को देखेंगे, टेंस को देखेंगे. But tens also don't have any tens. This number doesn't contain any hundreds, but we know that there are 9 thousands. So 9 thousands we'll borrow, यानी कि हम उधार लेंगे 1000 से. और अगर हम 1000 को तोड़ते हैं तो how many hundreds will make? 10. बट हम तो सबसे पहले क्या निकालते हैं? वंस. अब हमारे पास वंस नहीं है, तो हमें यहाँ तक पहुँचना है. सो विल टेक आउट 10 hundreds में से, if we'll take out 100, how many hundred we are left with? 9. And we will say that 100 makes 10 tens, और 10 tens वापस अपने घर में चले जाते हैं. बट हमें तो वंस निकालना है. Again we need to break tens. 10 tens are made up of 10 ones. So हम यहाँ से ones उधार ले लेते हैं, and we'll say there are 10 ones. So 10 ones में से now we can take out 3. 9 tens में से now we can take out 7. 9 hundreds में से we can take out 1. And from 8 thousands we can take out 2. So the number here we'll get is 6,827.